Hello, 7th graders. This is Miss Wetland here. I'm just going to give you a quick refresher of what we talked about yesterday in regards to area of a shaded sector. I'm going to run through our notes for you one more time, and then you're going to do some practice problems related to it. Remember, we're no longer finding the area of the entire circle, but we're trying to find the area of a piece of it. So in this case, we're trying to find the area of this piece here. Because it is still part of a circle, we use the formula pi r squared. Sounds like area to me. And then remember, we always substitute in 3.14 for pi, multiplied by the radius. And in this case, they gave us the radius, which is 5 squared. And then we have to decide how much of a circle that is. Sometimes we can see how much of a circle that is, but other times we might have to use the degrees. For example, in this one, remember that square meant 90 degrees out of 360 degrees in a circle, which would then allow you to multiply by 90 out of 360, or which is the same as 1/4. When you multiply it, remember to round to the nearest tenth, and because it's area, we will label it with a squared. So in this case, it's yard squared. Number 2, again, we started with the formula A equals pi r squared. 3.14 times the radius, which is 9 squared. In this case, they gave us the 40 degrees, so we just used the fraction 40 degrees out of 360. And that gave us 28.3 when we rounded to the nearest tenth meters squared. So you're going to have 3 practice problems very similar to this. I'm going to look for you to have done the 3 steps, kind of the triple A's like we've talked about. Now, if you forgot your calculator and you're wondering how am I going to type fractions and so forth in my iPad, if you go into Google Classroom, you are going to find that I added a material up there with a new link. Under classwork, if you look up at the top here, it says calculator. If you click on this calculator in the link that is here, this will take you to an online version of your calculator. You use the 6th and 7th grade scientific calculator. And you're just going to click through like you're starting a pretend MCA test. It doesn't record anything. You just click kicking start until you get to this page, and then up at the top you see a little calculator. If you click on that, this is the identical calculator to what we have in the classroom. So at any time that you don't have your calculator at home, you can always find this one, a digital one for you to be able to use, which now includes the fraction key for finding the area of a sector. All right? You'll review those 3 questions, and then you will have to spend 15 minutes on either your IXL or your Khan Academy working towards your own monitoring my math skills and improving your individual skills. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.